Hello everyone, welcome to Science World. In this short video, I will introduce the data types in Python. Here are 4 types of data in Python. Number 1, int. Number 2, float. Number 3, str. Number 4, bool. Int represents integers. Here are some examples, like 10, 100, 250. Float represents decimals. Here are some examples, like 3.14, 12.7, 6.8. str represents words. It is marked by double quotation marks. Here are some examples, like Tom, Mary, and 10. They are all marked by double quotation marks. Bool used in judgment, and this type of data only have 2 values, true and false. Here is a little practice and the answers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel Science World.